a cheetah burrito. My pants are made of leather. I find it hard to concentrate.
Well, hello. I got a surprise today, and I thought I would share it with everybody because I'm really, really excited about it. I got a knock on my door randomly, and when I went to answer it, there was nobody there, but there was this little pile of things. And then I saw the sticker, and I knew what it was. If you can't see, it says Fig and Fresh. I dug some shit out of the ground for you. This is my friend Misty Figs, who is an artist. She drew this, and this is her. And she is a maker, and she does custom Funko Pops and things like that. And she's just super inventive. Like, she's always making something out of something, and it's always a surprise, and it's really cool. So she has a garden that I've been very sort of jealous of, and I have a feeling when she says, I dug some shit out of the ground for you, that that's what's gonna be in here, and I'm really excited to see. But I thought that I might as well make a video, because one of the best parts about giving somebody a gift is seeing how much they like it. So I thought maybe I could do a video and she could see how much I and Stella enjoy. Don't touch the knife, Stella, good lord. Well, on top, actually, let me do the little thing first. There's this, and I think she might have made this herself, or maybe Alicia made it. Alicia is her fiance, who does really beautiful and thoughtful things. And a couple minutes after I got this from the door, I got a message from her saying happy birthday. So I think this is a late birthday present. It's my birthday. It was last month. Stella is very interested in it. It smells like it's probably a sachet, but also what's inside looks like it might be tea, and I'm sort of known for liking tea, so I want to check with them and make sure that it's definitely one or the other before I make a terrible, terrible mistake. There was also a sticker in there for Brian. Yeah, just make yourself comfortable wherever. Because it was a sort of an inside joke between the two of them. She's not gonna make this easy. This is one of the reasons I had to do this in the living room rather than in the kitchen, because in the kitchen she was just sort of off camera being loud, and here at least you can see what I deal with. You can watch, but well, while this is going on, I do want to take a second before I open this and just say how unbelievably grateful and thankful I am to have such good friends, Misty and Alicia and Meg, who is Alicia's roommate. After Brian's surgery, he had to go in for kidney surgery, which we were both like really scared about because this is not a great time to be anywhere near a hospital, but it had to be done. And when he was recovering from his surgery, they just sort of did a ding dong dash, and they left him some ice cream. Friends Kim and Sean brought me homemade jam, which is really nice, homemade low sugar jam, which is delicious, by the way. You know, my friend Ash has been, you know, she brought me some jigsaw puzzles, and she brought me even a little bit of gin. Friend Tracy brought over puzzles. With as isolating as this pandemic has been, it is really good to have people to still feel connected to. And now that Stella has moved her butt, I want to see what's in here. I have a knife that I'm going to be very careful with. I had an issue, sorry, I'll do it that way. I had an issue yesterday, and then Stella gave me an issue over here. And I know that this is kind of, bitch, come on now. Ta-da! Okay. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is gorgeous. So this is a patty pan squash. And I love this because it looks like a flying saucer. So if you have little kids and you're trying to get them to eat stuff, this might be a good intro to squash, because who doesn't want to eat a flying saucer? This is the most bodacious. I think that appears to be a cucumber. That's definitely a cucumber. When I see something this big and green, I automatically think that it must be a zucchini, especially since everybody's zucchinis are going crazy. But I do believe this is a cucumber, which is fantastic, because I don't want to be weird about this, but like, I love cucumbers so much. I could eat cucumbers every day with everything on everything, and I am going to enjoy the hell out of this. That's beautiful. It's a cute little onion. Jalapenos. This is another, like, this is a staple for me. I will never, ever be out of jalapenos. Like, I eat these all the time, every day. Again, just like the cucumber, like, I will always want more jalapenos. No, more purple potatoes. This is actually really great because I only have one left. I haven't seen them available from the place I normally get them, which is Imperfect Foods. So I was really bummed out because these are really the potatoes that I eat. And so I just had the one left and I was like, meh. But the one that I had left, by the way, I grew myself. I had some that I accidentally let sprout and I was like, well, let's just plant it, see what happens. You know, it's better than throwing it out. And I grew potatoes by myself. I'm bad at growing things. Did I mention that? I think they're not done yet. So I got a nice amount of small ones, but it's still, there's a lot of greenery going on. So I think the rest isn't going to be ready to harvest in a while. So I just had one little potato and now I have 4. Look how beautiful these tomatoes are. Look how gorgeous that is. I have some basil that I managed to grow. Find basil very difficult to grow, but I have some that so far has not died. So I think I might make a little caprese with this, or maybe I'll make a roasted tomato soup, or, oh, I don't know, but I've got to do something very special with these. These are lovely. I don't know what this is. Oh my God, this smells really good. It smells like it's got maybe some fresh herbs in there. I'm gonna try and ration it so that I don't eat a lot at one time, which is a problem I have with bread. Under normal circumstances, if I am feeling hungry and I go into a store, I will come out with like 6 different types of bread. I feel like if I just have a little bit of this at a time, I can have it and it won't be a problem. And I'm so excited about this. Thank you so much, Misty and Alicia. I am so in love with this. I cannot wait to eat all of this. It is so beautiful. This was such a wonderful and thoughtful thing to do, and I appreciate it so much. Thank you very much, and thank you to everybody for watching.
Turn up the caramello and chisel on the shizney. It's time for me to what? Let me introduce myself. I'm Gina Burrito. My pants are made of leather. I find a high